We have a question before us right now to answer. To the senior men in the house, they will just say, which kind of question be this one now? But some people won't know. They want to learn. So for the sake of people at BC, they go see learn something today. That is why I come up with this topic like this now. For question where people ask me. And if I not play the voice note give una, come begin the talk. Una no go believe now. You just feel like saying I mean just want to form some kind of thing. So just listen to the voice note, then I'll come back to explain.
My Oga, I know say before you go see this video, you go take. But me and my friend, we always understand something. The thing we argue for you, we be your fans, we love your video, we love you. And now only you hear us talk about this thing where we understand. So the way we argue for here, we are the thing they confuse us. We don't really know what be FIFA. When they say FIFA World Cup, we know say FIFA Day. But these people where they call UEFA Champions League, say they different. They think they confuse my friend, so they argue.
This question to some people it looks so boring. They go just be like, this one know their life. Which kind of question be this? But a lot of people want to know, and this is one of the reasons why I am here, to let us understand what it is up about football. Now you have been hearing about FIFA. Now we call the hear UEFA. What is the difference between the two? Let's start with UEFA. UEFA as an abbreviation stand to mean Union of European Football Association. European Football Association. And you go ask, what it could be Europe? Some of us mostly know amo. Europe na continent where they for the Western world. Let me put it that way. Europe na continent where they on top of Africa. To the northern part of Africa, na there then they comprises of UK. UK self get like 4 countries. England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Now they get Germany. Now they get France. Now they get all the Switzerland. Now they get Italy and a lot of other clubs where they partake in UEFA Champions League. Now, this UEFA na body B, where B say they organize some other things like football, basketball, and different things. So when you hear UEFA Champions League, it means the competition played by UEFA people, that is European Union people. You get, apart from UEFA Champions League, they get UEFA Nations League. That one na country they play them alone. So UEFA Champions League na for club, while UEFA Nations League na for country. You get. So every country where be say they register under European Union, all of them get right to partake in this competition. Be it Kazakhstan, where be say they near all these that Asia, Cyprus, Israel, Turkey, all those where be like say they don't come for Europe. All of them follow European Union. So their clubs, their country, they partake in anything like European something. You get. So the full meaning of UEFA mean Union of European Football Association, and the head of them, now the man called Seferin, Alexander Seferin. Now the man has been their head since I think 14th of September 2016 to date. Now the man has the head them. That is UEFA aspect. Now, what it called be FIFA? FIFA is named by French people, and it start to mean federation. What we they call federation? Then they call a federation there, which mean of football association. So this one for the whole world, federation, all the whole world. Now they put together. So this people like this now called FIFA. Them get power past UEFA. UEFA fit make some kind of law. They'll carry a call give FIFA make a review. If FIFA say no good, they no go do am. So FIFA get to do with everything that has to do with the world. If UEFA makes some kind of law, they need to carry a call give FIFA. Say FIFA check. It's not left for FIFA to make their final decision. They still get IFAB. Where be see those ones, they just there to make law for football. But now FIFA, they control everything. If you check how the stuff be, UEFA and FIFA they challenge because all these European people now they still them they head all this stuff. But in every way, now FIFA now they head everything. You get. So when you hear about FIFA World Cup, just know say now for the world as a whole. When you hear about FIFA Club World Cup, now for the world as a whole. So UEFA belong to Europe, while FIFA belong to the whole world. And every continent get their own. As Europe get UEFA, every other continent get their own. Like Africa, we get CAF, which means Confederation of African Football. We get our own for here. So all this Kono boy for South America and America their own, they get their own. All this Asia get their own. All this Middle East and Asia, they get together where they do their own. Like all this, their Asia Champions League, they do their own for that place. We for Africa here, we do our own CAF Champions League. Just that our own, they promote like that. So that is how the team be. You get my point? So in the world, they get their own football body for their continent. Then FIFA na be the overall. You get? So ladies and gentlemen, I think person wey lis ten to this aspect go don understand this stuff. For now, we move.